Nan, Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
For today's vlog, guys, we are invited by a Mexican restaurant.
Actually, ito yung mga first time natin titikman yung mga food nila and something interesting. If you're interested to know more about their menu, samahan nyo kami. So tara, let's go!
Alright, so this is it, guys. This is the place. If you notice, no? So, meron tayong how many tables we have, bro?
So meron tayo ditong 4 tables. Siguro magkakasya dito around mga 10 to 15 packs.
Different design.
Yes.
No, it's not the usual Filipino thing. The murals are really good. No?
Actually, yung mga murals nila are Mexican inspired.
Anyway, so the food is already, there and, ready to munch up. So we're gonna go there.
Tingnan natin and taste test.
Go! Oh, let me mention yung mga pin-prepare nila for our table. So this is their birria burrito. Ayan. This one is quesadillas.
Birria quesadillas.
Yeah, this one's the tacos. Oh, that one is noodles. Birria noodles. So if you want rice-based naman, so this one, birria bowls, ayan. So this one is the loaded fries. Not your ordinary French fries. Yeah, so this one is the birria crunch wrap. And then this one is Texas melt. Yung pinaka-base natin is actually birria. This one. This is it, guys. Again, thank you so much for being with us in this video. Thank you so much, Amigos, for inviting us.
Yes.
Anyway, so ito po yung mga pagkain natin. Again, earlier we were able to, introduce you guys. So what we're gonna do now is, of course, we're gonna taste test it.
Yeah. So for the first time, titikman natin yung kanilang birria. Talagang nakaka-excite. And hindi natin alam ano yung lasa nito.
So we've been into other, Mexican restaurants, but it's for us to find out. Let's check it out. Yeah. So this is the first one I'm gonna, taste birria noodles. Ayan, birria
Ano
noodles.
titikman yung kanilang, syempre more on sa cheese ako, yung kanilang Texas melt.
Texas melt. Whoa. So basically, guys, birria, they have two variations. So one's beef and then the other is chicken. So it's up to you guys which ones do you prefer. But basically, for me, I think parang nga siyang in Mexican food. So there's this taste of beans. So let's taste it, guys.
Yeah. So ito yung Texas melt.
Ooh.
Naman. Ito yung mga nakaka-excite kainin natin. So syempre, yung kanilang beef birria. The way na kinakain daw to is syempre yung nilalagyan siya ng
Yeah, it's either you pour it or you dip in it.
So pour natin. Yeah. Let's taste it. Wow.
So comparing it with the usual, Asian ramen, Korean noodles, something like that. This one's not salty. Medyo medyo spicy talaga siya. I mean, not that hot spicy. It has a lot of flavors in it. Parang ganun yung
Pero may kick, kumbaga.
Exactly. Yeah.
So, what is good thing here dito sa kanilang Texas melt is yung kanang cheesy. So, kita nyo naman, no? Kanilang mozzarella. If you're a cheesy lover, I think ito yung pinaka-una mong o-orderin.
For Amigos, yung mga dishes nila is all birria based.
Yes.
Yung pinaka-base natin for the birria is this very, very thick sauce. And then a little bit oily dun sa top natin because that's what makes it consistent na soft. And then depende nga sa inyo if you want it beef or chicken. And then this one's like shredded meat. On a different dish, they serve it like, for example, quesadillas, tacos. Speaking of tacos, so let me taste this one. So this one's still beef. Ayan. So this one's a soft shell taco. Okay? And then you either dip it like this. It's all about the sauce.
Ako titignan ko naman yung kanilang quesadilla. Siyempre yung kanilang beef birria.
So, if you're that kind of person na meat lover, this place is a haven for you. Sobrang dominant ng mga meat, ng mga beef natin dito. So,
Hindi ko lang kung yung birria or yung quesadilla na yung may konting spice na anghang. Which is yung parang nakakagana kumain.
Actually, it's the birria, bro. And then anything that has cheese on it, it's really rich.
Loaded.
Loaded in cheese.
Sarap.
Really thick in sauce. Sobrang flavorful. And what I like about the meat naman, dun sa meat na, it's really tender.
Yes, actually, tender, juicy. So actually yung kanilang birria, 8 hours na linuluto in low fire. So imagine kung gaano na lang kalambot yung kanilang mga meat.
Wow. Let me taste naman yung kanilang, this is the birria crunch. They call it birria crunch. Another thing na, sa mga serving nila, ang lalaki. It's really shareable. So this one's 270 pesos, guys. I mean, look at it. It is...
You know?
Ooh.
Actually, nakakailan pa lang tayong dish, pero feeling ko busog na ako. Pero syempre, titikman pa rin natin yung iba.
So, dalawa yung rice base nila for the birria. The first one, burrito, and then this one is...
Birria bowl.
Birria bowl.
So, syempre, titikman natin yung kanilang burrito. Ooh. Loaded. And tsaka hindi siya tinipid. Ito yung maganda, hindi siya tinipid. Actually, yung price is tamang-tama.
Reasonable, yeah. So, experience-wise, taste-wise, hindi ito yung parang Mexican restaurant na parang maaaluf ka sa taste.
Yes.
Parang ganun, no? So, it's not really heavy and yung mga cilantro.
Yes.
Exactly, right?
Pero, what is good thing here is talagang ma-appreciate mo yung lasa niya. Kumbaga may konting twist pa rin.
Exactly.
Na the Filipino will always love it.
So this one is their loaded fries. Again, it's birria based. Yung cheese natin na, look at that. Oh man. Make sure to eat this while it's hot or warm. Yeah. So again, the fries is just like, you know, hold the birria and then you got your melted cheese on top. Different kind of taste for the fries. Thanks, Desmond.
What up?
Thanks so much.
Hey, no, you
Thanks
guys,
so much.
you guys so much. It's a blessing for you guys to come in and try my food. Me and my partner Eric, we're really happy that you guys came in. I appreciate it, man. I hope you guys enjoy it.
We did. All right. So finally, guys, the dessert has arrived. So this is their dessert. Actually, isa lang yung dessert nila dito, pero they have two variants for the final cake. Strawberry and chocolate naman yung
on
so
our
this
table,
one,
syempre yung chocolate nila. So, meron siyang ice cream on top,
Yes.
icing, and
pinaka-base natin is, it's a dough, yeah. Oh wow, that's interesting. There you have it, guys. We're gonna finish this off the camera. But if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, you share it with your friends.
Amigos Street Food PH is open from 10 a.m. until 10 p.m. Monday to Sunday, so mahaba po yung time to visit Amigos PH dito sa may Balibago.
So, aside from the food, actually, meron pa silang mga alcohol. They also have a beer pong table for you to chill. No, who knows, right after, you know, everything is back to normal, so they're gonna be staying longer for you to guys to, you know, chill.
So this is another option for you to try, lalo na sa mga mahilig sa mga Mexican food.
Exactly.
Try Amigos Street Food PH.
So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, we hope to see you there.
Peace out.